Right now, the U.S. Supreme Court is hearing arguments on the Biden administration's plan to cancel up to $20,000 in federal student loan debt for millions of borrowers. It is one of the largest cases of the court's current term. CBS's Nicole D'Antonio is following the latest from Capitol Hill.
Cancel.
Demonstrators gathered outside the Supreme Court as justices considered two different challenges. One is by 6 Republican-led states that say the debt forgiveness program will cost them money. In court papers, they say it's a breathtaking and transformative exercise of power. The other challenge is by 2 students who say the program should do more to relieve student debt.
This is preventing people from doing what they have to do: pay bills, start families, continue with their businesses.
During oral arguments, Chief Justice John Roberts asked the government's lawyers about the importance of separation of powers.
I just wonder, given the posture of the case and given our historic concern about separation of powers, you would recognize at least that this is a case that presents extraordinarily serious, important issues.
With respect to the role for Congress, I think what's clear is, of course, we're recognizing that Congress could take additional action if it disapproves this plan.
The justices, 6 conservatives and 3 liberals, will eventually decide if President Biden has the authority to wipe away about $500 billion in student debt. The president's lawyers are arguing the federal law grants him the power to forgive the loans, while opponents say he's going too far. Under the plan, up to 43 million people would be eligible for some federal student loan debt relief. People making less than $125,000 a year could see $10,000 in student loan debt forgiven. And people who got Pell Grants could get up to $20,000 forgiven. A decision is expected by the end of the current term in late June. Nicole D'Antonio, CBS News, the Supreme Court.